Guys, today we are seeing a CMOS tank we made for the China market. CMOS tank can carry many cargoes, such as crude oil or some oil you need to keep the temperature inside. You can see we use those kind of belt to get the outer layer to close to the tank body. Inside we have something to protect the CMOS, like a glass wall or some fabrications. Here is the front. The front we have a front booster to put the air connections and the electricity socket and the ABS socket. Here we have the side indicator light. At here we have those kingpin plate with the bolted on type. Here is the 50 diameter kingpin plate with the bolted on type. In the front we can see those braking lines and electricity lines here, and up to the rear we have the air braking line and we have the electricity line. At here we can see there is a pipe. This pipe is connecting the middle layer. So the outer layer we have it's kind of plastic, and in the middle we have glass wall. Inside we have aluminum, but sometimes the moisture and the water would stuck inside, so we need to have a pipe here to get the water out. You can see it's actually full of water here. See? Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, and try to like this. Okay, so with this pipe we can keep the inside dry. If we keep moving, we can see the spare tire carrier, and we mounted the subframe on the aluminum frame. This is the pipe. We stuck the discharge pipe inside. Here is the door. We have already sealed it. If you open it, you can put the pipe in and get the pipe out when you need it. This is the discharge box. In the discharge box, we can see a ball valve here. This is the open position. And this is the closed position. You can see the ball valve. It's closing. Opening. Here's the switch. You can switch open and close, open, close. This is design we have seen other trailers. You can close it like this. You can open it. Okay. At the rear we have this one. It says emergency stop button. And please do not use it unless it's emergency. So when the emergency case, you can push it. It says like this. Here's the ladder to allow us to go to the top, and this is the indicator for this tank, what kind of cargo this tank is carrying. Here is the belt to release the anti-electricity, that's reflectors. Okay, let's go to the top and have a look. Okay, now we are on top of the tank. We can see different than the other one we were seeing. This one has a protection gate. It's pretty hot. Let's open it. It's we have another one there to keep it opening and with the supporting stuff. This is the manhole with a small manhole on top and a big manhole at the bottom. The small manhole is checking position. You can open and check the situation inside. This is the safety valve. If you want to close it, you can close it like this. Okay, and that's another one. All right, I think we need to get off from. We are off from the top. We can see the bottom. Here you can see the bottom of the trailer. This similar design like the other tank. It's one chamber tank with a pipe connecting and putting it left side and right side discharge box. This is how it looks at the bottom. Okay. All right, and in this side we have the axles, 3 axles suspension, and the toolbox. Let's open the toolbox and have a look. This is a small toolbox. It says toolbox over here. If you open it, it would be like this, with a key here. Okay. Alright, I think that would be enough for today's video. Hope you guys like our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe to support. Or if you like this video, please click the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you guys next time.